Hello. So over the years, I've worked with many students, and over time, I've had the opportunity to witness their growth. Most of my students were absolute beginners with no artistic skills, but by creating a dedicated time for self-care in the form of mindful drawings, it has given them multiple benefits. And you'll probably agree with these benefits. Benefits like immense joy, a sense of achievement when you complete a tile, feeling more confident, especially when creating more intricate and detailed work. Um, Zentangle helps clear thoughts. Um, the feeling of creativeness coming out is amazing. It keeps us focused and positive. It helps slow down and appreciate all the beauty that's been sprinkled all around us. And of course, the excitement of trying and learning something new and interesting is always the best. But most importantly, showing up regularly and consistently has helped my students with their art. There is a considerable and continuous progress in their creations and their understanding of techniques and the use in the form of use of tools and their own compositions. The attributes that contribute for such progress is by trusting your process. So each one of us is unique on a unique journey. So comparing yourself with others doesn't help any bit. But yes, showing up regularly, creating a dedicated time and space for your Zentangle practice really helps. Getting inspired and learning continuously helps you go further in this journey. I would be honored to be part of your Zentangle journey. Serene is my monthly membership program with weekly lessons, and it's opening up for enrollment tomorrow. Check out my website www.sandhyamannestudio.com for all the information. And while you're there, remember to download the syllabus for 2022. It has all the projects that we plan to do throughout this year. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me and see if Serene is a right fit for you. See ya. Namaste.